everyone, today we are going to learn how to use sales warning inside the sales module to avoid mistakes in your orders and keep your sales process very smoothly. So without stretching, let's directly move to the sales module and let's see what's happening there. For that, we need to enable one configure option inside the settings menu. And let's head over to the configuration. Under the configuration, there we have the settings. And here I'm going to search for the option for the sales warning. So under the quotation and orders, there you can find the sales warning. This is actually using to get sales warning in orders for products or customers. Okay. So here I'm going to enable this option and don't forget to hit the save button. All right, we are done with that and let's configure a product and a customer. For that, let's move to the product side and here I'm going to configure one of the products which is acoustic block screen. So here I'm choosing these products and let's directly move to the sales tab. Under the sales tab there you can find the warning on sales order. So here you can choose or give a particular message on the sales on warning on sales order. So here I'm going to give the same example, which is this product is defective. Okay. Once we are done with that, let's manually save this and here I'm going to the customer side as well as and I can create a sales warning inside a customer also. For that, let's select a customer which is Deco Addict. So once you're choosing that, let's move to the Notes tab. And under the Notes tab, there you can find two things, which is warning on sales orders and invoices and warning on purchase orders and bills. So you can specify, instantly choose what are the things that you need to put. So here I'm going to give us, a warning on a sales order. So here we have an example. So here I'm going to put this as this customer is sorry is not loyal. Okay. So here I'm now done with the sales warning and I'm going to manually save this warning. And let's move to the orders tab and here I'm going to create an order based on this particular customer and that product. So let's see what's happening. For that, creating a new one. So specifying with the customer which is Deco Addict. So there you can see the warning message Deco Addict. This customer is not loyal. So this is basically the warning message type. And here I'm choosing our product as well as from here, which is acoustic block screen. So once I'm choosing the acoustic block screen and variant from here, let's see. Yeah, it's denoting in a yellow color, which means the furniture acoustic block screen in white variant, this product is basically defective. So that's how simply Odoo can create a sales warning once you're done with the configured option inside the sales module. So I hope you all understand this video. So if you like this video, please do subscribe, share with your friends and I will be back with another next video. So till that, bye bye.